Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use NewRetirement software. In order to do so, we're actually heading to Boldin.com. NewRetirement is now Boldin. So if you're looking for NewRetirement and you can't find it, it's because it is now Boldin. So you're going to want to head to Boldin.com, and once you're there, then you can see here that we can get started for free by clicking on the button here. If we scroll down, you can get an idea for what you can expect with the Boldin software. So let's go ahead and click Get Started for free. And then from there, you can enter in your email and password, or you can sign up with Google. Let's go ahead and sign up with Google. And we'll just see how straightforward it is here to get ourselves signed up and logged in. Okay, so here we now have some questions that we're going to ask, that we're going to answer in order to proceed. So you can go through these steps. It is going to take some time because it's going to be asking you some questions here. So we're not going to go through each step, but if you want to use NewRetirement software, then go ahead and head over to Boldin.com, get started, and go through these steps, asking these questions, answering these questions, and you can go from there. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.